Hi, I'm Bruce Nelson. You've seen me on the internet before. We got a lot of views on the previous videos that we've done. They've really been very, very popular. I started the engine factory way back in 1969 when I was just a young guy, but I always wanted to build an engine that came to the customer that's ready to run right out of the box. Why is that important? Because it's the worst thing you want to have is you want to get an engine there and you've got to put in your distributor, or you got to change the carburetor, you got to change the oil pan or the timing cover. We make sure 1000% that everything that we put on the engine is going to be exactly the way you want it, the way that you ordered it. We give you the right colors, we give you the right ignition wire colors. If you want the chrome polish package, we've got that. We've got the slant edge valve covers, we've got all different combinations of the March serpentine systems. This is just an engine that we take out to the shows and things, and I'm going to start it up here for a minute, and then I want to really go through a lot of things with you, but I won't bore you with a lot of details on everything. Everyone knows that we use all American parts. We don't buy the stuff from all the overseas markets. We buy all American parts, and that means a lot because you want to have something that's going to not only be fast, you want to have something that's going to be very reliable, and that's our motto here. We make the engines fast, but we also make them to last. So let's fire this little baby up for a second here. It's a beautiful engine. So as I say, we've been building this way for years. Our reputation is everything to us. There's a lot of people on the internet, and I know buying an engine on the internet can be very challenging because there's just so many people on there today, and I don't want to say that, there's some people on there that say they do a lot of things for you and they really don't. We've heard horror stories from everyone. But the main thing is you want to go on, you want to do your homework. You want to check out all the different blogs, you want to put the people's name up there, make sure you got the right addresses because there's a lot of people that use different addresses to kind of trick the internet. You want to go on and see if they have any complaints on a Better Business Bureau. We've always maintained an A+ rating. That's very important, to have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau for all the years that we've been in business. Now, again, it can be very challenging ordering something on the internet. There's so many people out there that tell you they've been in business for 50 years when they're taking cumulative people in their business and adding up all the different people in the business and coming up with these 50-year things. We've been around since 1969. We're a family-run company, and that's really important because what we do is when you send us an email or you give us a call, we answer the call. There's always a family member that you're working with. We answer the call, we answer the emails. I mean, I answer myself. I'll answer emails 11 o'clock on a Sunday night, somebody calling and emailing in and asking certain questions about their engine or what they should do or what different combinations work best for them. So we put it together, all this information, and again, it is really important for you to do your homework. Do your homework. Make sure that what you're buying is being sold to you through a reputable company. Very, very important. People that compare, people that really compare and go on the internet and search everything, those are the people that come back to us. They compare and then they choose the engine factory. So I don't want to bore you with a lot of different details, but you can see the quality that we put into our engines. I come in every morning, I get very excited when I see one of these engines run, and each day we make improvements to make them look better and to run better and to last longer. So all I can say is we've been here a long time and we're going to be here a lot longer. There's a family-run generational thing here where you're going to be talking to my sons and my dedicated employees, but we want to make you happy. So when you get ready to order an engine or if you have questions, give us a call. Thank you very much for your business.